Xfinity CelebrateBlackTV.com salutes Black entertainment pioneers. Carrie's breakout role was in the 2001 hit Save the Last Dance, and has since starred in a string of hit movies including Ray, The Last King of Scotland, and Django Unchained. The Emmy and Golden Globe nominated actress's career is reaching new and groundbreaking heights.
It's such an exciting time to be a woman of color in this business, for sure. We're taking over. They better watch out.
As Olivia Pope, a former crisis management expert to the president on the tremendously popular ABC drama Scandal, Washington became the first African-American woman to star on a primetime show in over 30 years. The show has been a commercial and critical success, and has been called one of the most talked about drama series on Facebook and Twitter, with Washington's social networking savvy leading the charge. Washington's intellect and talent for her craft has many referring to her as a role model, a title she gladly and deservedly accepts. See more Kerry Washington on Xfinity On Demand, and catch more interviews on CelebrateBlackTV.com, where Black history is always on. Xfinity, the future of awesome.